వారాహి సిల్క్స్ వారి గ్రాండ్ ఫెస్టివ్ సెలబ్రేషన్స్ పొందండి 10,000 రూపాయలు ఆపై కొనుగోలుపై బంగారు నాణెం ఉచితంగా.
నిన్నేనా నేను చూస్తోంది నిన్నేనా నువ్వేనా నువ్వులా ఉన్న ఎవరోనా
రవక నడిపే గొడుగను కోనా అడుగుల.
Welcome you in Hyderabad city, ma'am. How you celebrate your festivals and how you feeling when you coordinate with your friends and see this kind of fans come to you?
I think I'm coming here after 1 year exactly. I've not come to Hyderabad for a year and it's feeling again like how it was before.
So how you celebrate your festivals as festivals are on?
Well, I'm celebrating Sankranti with Zivame here today, so that is what it is. Yeah.
Okay. And what's your upcoming projects? We are seeing you doing awesome work in Hindi cinema.
Yeah. I just had a release for Hotstar with Konkana Sen, which did very well, called Search. I have a movie coming up with Manoj Bajpayee, one movie with Jaideep Palawat coming up. So that is what is there. South, I do have 2 releases, but I can't talk about them. I think there's with Lakshmi Manchu, Lechindi Mahila Lokam and Artham. But I'm right now really working more down in Bombay.
And do you have that feeling of, flying kites as Sankranti is coming and Telugu fans always, curious? So how do you share?
Telugu fans to message me, I'll go and fly a kite with them. I've never really done it.
So we just wanted to wish them happy Sankranti and please enjoy your fly kite.
Me andariki Sankranti Subhakanksha.
When you sign an endorsement, what goes first in your mind? Because people follow you.
What goes first in my mind? Well, let's first talk about Zivame because I'm over here and I don't think it's any longer taboo to speak about lingerie because that is what we all women wear from morning to night and which is closest to our skin. I think it's empowering and I feel like nowadays we speak a lot about body positivity, about confidence. There are women in all shapes and sizes and I think Zivame caters to all of that. So I guess it's something like self-expression and I'm very glad to be associated with such a brand.
And so what are your favorite colors? Like if we talk about a fashion point of view, your dresses like today you're wearing nice and pearl representing Hyderabad.
I didn't think about that. yeah.
But you're in a city of pearl, right?
Yes, I'm in a city of pearl. I just realized it. Well, white is definitely a big favorite. I love black also. सबसे ज़्यादा black ही होता है मेरे wardrobe में. But I'm trying to add more colors.
How fashion olic you are. I mean, when you're going for a party, you get like more time to decide things.
I dress up very fast. I do my makeup hair also on my own very fast. Wow. But definitely if I'm going to an event, I see to it that I am fashionable and I try my best to look my best.
So what are the top 3 picks when you go for a shopping?
When I go for shopping, in terms of clothes, I love dresses, tops and high-waisted pants.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
so today, are you trying to pick up something? I mean, you're going to do some shopping here today?
Well, I think, they have a lot of sports bras and corsets, which nowadays people style with jackets and all of that. I might pick that up from them.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what is your fitness, Fanda? I mean, what do you follow from morning to night,
So I do weight training 3 times a week. I do dance, I do yoga. Every day I do some workout and I eat very, very good food. I have a lot of ghee. Okay. Which women don't have. I feel they have a lot of salad and all. So a lot of ghee, I think, is good for skin.
Okay, and 3 things, you can't live without it when you leave a house.
Material things?
Yeah, anything like?
Mobile phone, obviously.
Okay.
What else? Mobile phone. I need a lipstick always.
Okay.
One lipstick. It's called, from MAC, it's called Meher. It's always there in every bag of mine. And kaju and mumfali.
Okay. So you have come to Hyderabad. So what are the dishes you want to try? You can't leave it.
Biryani, obviously.
Biryani.
Yeah. Veg biryani.
What's your favorite food, basically? You always look for.
I have a lot of rice every night. I eat white rice. So any kind of fried rice, biryani, all of that.
And there was an interview. Okay,
Yeah.
there was an interview I was seeing you saying North ke to Shah Rukh Khan hai aur South ke Allu Arjun hai. Is that right?
Yeah.
So what was there in your mind to say, about this?
Well, I think when I'm in Bombay also, even if I go to say a dermat's clinic also, for example, the girls who are even over there will be like, I have seen Allu Arjun's movie, I have seen his movie. So I get to know in Bombay what kind of popularity he has because I have been staying there. I'm from Bombay.
Yeah.
So when you hear people in Bombay and other cities speak about him, you get to know that, okay, he's very, very, very big. Yeah.
So what do you have to say about Allu Arjun Garu personally?
I already said it.
No, but what's your opinion? You said about other opinions.
That's what I said. He is literally the Shah Rukh Khan.
Can we see you together? You would love to.
I really don't know. I wish him the best for his movie though. Yeah.
Your favorite movie of any Allu Arjun sir you have watched and you want to appreciate that?
I I've seen quite a few. Ala Vaikuntapuramlo. That's what I've seen. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So when
Parugu's poster I had seen when I had first time come to Hyderabad.
And when we can see your musical concert, because you're a very good singer,
Yeah,
you've
I
been
sang with
associated with
Devashi
JC Dev. So when we can see a musical concert in Hyderabad,
I don't know. Whenever if Devashi Prasad calls me, I'll surely come and sing in
so you
Telugu.
can end up by saying one line for your
Oh
fans.
God, no, please.
Sankranti, is there anything you would like to end up one line?
నిన్నేనా నేను చూస్తోంది నిన్నేనా నువ్వేనా నువ్వులా ఉన్న ఎవరోనా కోపంలో నిప్పుల కొండల రూపంలో చుక్కల దండల నవ్వుల్లో చిలకమ్మల చిన్నారుల చేతికి బొమ్మల ఇంతకే నువ్వు ఒకడివా వందవా ఎంతకే నువ్వెవరికి అందవా.
You're super, Shraddha. I have to leave you, see? We really loved it. It was awesome. Awesome. Shraddha is back and we are waiting. Now next we should catch you on the
I
stage.
tell you, this girl loves me. I have not come to Hyderabad for 2 years, but she calls me every week.
What are you trying to do?
I'm saying that.
Every
I'm
2
saying
weeks I
that
call you.
you make me feel very valuable. Thank you, and you're a sweetheart. Thank you.
Women love each other, right? That's the
Thank you. I
spirit
know
we
her
should
for
have.
many years from the beginning. I think.
बुढ़ापा भी साथ में करे
ऐसे
करेंगे.
ही दिखेंगे.
But you will be keep going. I know you're an inspiration for us.
you,
Thank you, Shraddha, talking for us. That was more updates. Keep watching Suman TV. Till then, goodbye.